Windshield wipers help you stay safe while you're on the road. Worn-out wipers can streak up a windshield, and poor visibility while driving is dangerous. So check your wipers at least every 6 months and plan on replacing them once a year, if not more. Here's a list of supplies you'll need. After safely parking the car, turn it off, then extend the wiper arms. Don't let the bare arm slap back and put a cloth between the glass and the wiper arms to prevent damage. Check the rubber for cracks and tears, which can cause streaking. Return them to their normal position and make sure the entire length of each rubber blade touches the glass. If you need new wipers, measure the length of each blade, as they can all be different depending on your vehicle. To remove the old blades, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield so it stays extended. Look for a small tab or button on the assembly where the blade meets the arm. Depress the tab or button and pull the center of the blade towards the bottom of the arm. Then slide the blade off. Next, hold the new wiper blade upside down. One end has a slight curve. Align the curved end of the new wiper with the hook-shaped curve of the wiper arm. To secure the assembly, pull tightly so the new wiper clicks into place. Then place the wiper arm back flat against the windshield. And finally, to test that the new blades are properly installed, lightly spray your windshield with wiper fluid or a garden hose. Then turn the wipers on low. When your wipers are in great shape and functioning properly, you're that much safer on the road. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.